This is how we teach our puppies to stay at puppy terriers. Stay. 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 This little boy, he wants to be aggravating or persistent. Stay. Stay. Little girls, they kind of learn a little bit quicker. Stay. 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 It don't matter. Stay. 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 Y'all stay. No, stay. Stay. No, stay. 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 Yeah. Stay. Yeah. Stay. Stay. Quit that. Quit that. Quit that. They so cute. Y'all stay. 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 This is their first lesson. Stay. Stay. Y'all stay. 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 Good babies. Good babies. Stay. Stay. Good babies. Stay. Take that little girl along to learn. Stay. Stay. Yeah, it's my babies. It's my babies. It's my little babies. Yeah, it's my babies. Yeah, my babies. Yeah. Yeah. Hey girl. Hey girl. Hey girl. Yeah. The teeth is just starting to come in. They fixing to get their third meal on mush. Mama, they no longer care anything about mother. Yeah. Alright, now y'all stay. 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 And 2 or 3 more times like this, and they will know what stay means. So as when you put them somewhere and tell them to stay, then they are already familiar with it. And that's it, folks.